Hi guys, in this video we're taking a look how a supply chain management page in Notion could look like, or how you could organize it. So for this example we created a quite simple Notion page where you have a simple supply checklist overview. Then you have a vendors and suppliers list where you can just track your information about your suppliers. For example, we have the category contact information, how your experience was so far, what's your payment method, because it's quite important to know how you should pay them, and also comments about them. For example, are they good, bad, whatsoever. Then we have an order tracker where you can just create, or we usually create just new orders. For example, maybe we want to order some chocolate, and then we can click on the order date. Probably it's just today, and then we can check it's ordered. If we click it's paid, we get another part of the circle, and if it got delivered, it leaves the order tracker and goes here. Because it's done, this order, we don't have to watch it anymore. It's quite useful to keep on track of open orders. Are they ordered, are they paid, and are they delivered? It's quite useful, and you also can add your files and documents, whatever you need. And in case you have anything with food to do, for example, we did this template for a coffee shop, and we also added a food waste log in this case. So it's just like a little lightning system. So we could create just a new row right now, and if we threw away 0 cakes, we can see we get a green bar. Let's say we threw away 10 sandwiches, we see we get a yellow one. And if you throw away 25 drinks, it's red because it's too much waste. So this is just a simple system to keep on track of your food waste. If you're interested in this template, or you just want to adjust it to your personal needs, I put the link down below in the video description so you can adjust it to your needs. I hope this video helped you to get a general idea of what is possible and how you can manage your supplies with a simple Notion page. Thank you so much.